What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Smitheys, the truck and travel channel. So I've had a crazy 2-3 weeks. I'll get into that in a second, but right now I am right in front of First National Bank Field. It's a big old baseball field if you're familiar, in Greenville, North Carolina. I've always wanted to know what it's like to live in a big city, so I decided to come to Greenville and check it out. So I went ahead and got myself a hotel right in the middle of downtown Greensboro. I'm really excited because I've always wanted to know what it feels like to just walk to whatever you need, like your job, your convenience store, the gas station. Like, it's awesome. But I'm gonna show you around. Let's get to it. The very first thing that I have to say is it's freezing. It's like 40 degrees and it's October in North Carolina. But yeah, let me get to it. So I drove from North Carolina, went to South Carolina, and then I went to Georgia to visit a friend. And after I left Georgia, I went to Alabama to visit a friend in Montgomery, Auburn-ish area. After I left Montgomery, I was like, man, I really want to go to Mobile, Alabama. So I went ahead and drove straight down Alabama to go visit Mobile. I didn't film anything. I just wanted to see it for myself. Because everyone knows Sweet Home Alabama. So I wanted to see it for myself. God, no good fucking food. After I left Mobile, I got a few calls stating that I had to come back for a few different things here in North Carolina. So I drove straight up Alabama, and then I went to Tennessee, and I stayed in Tennessee for a couple days because I really like Tennessee. It's really nice. And then after I left Tennessee, I am now here in North Carolina. So yeah, that's been my life the past 2.5 weeks. Ooh, I'm telling. Somebody let their dog off leash. Ooh, I'm telling. Actually, I think it was this kid right here. I think it was him. Like he's hiding from his parents or something. This kid's actually hiding in the book. That's totally cool. But somebody can get this dog. Holy moly, I just found the I just found the holy grail. I just found the holy grail of graffiti. Like, oh my God, check this out. Wow, you should look at these windows in this church. And if you don't know your Bill of Rights, I'm not gonna lie to you at all. Like, being this close to everything is absolutely fantastically perfect. I've been having fun just exploring the city. Literally everything is close. So there's like 50,000 restaurants in one little area, and you got all these little convenience stores you can go to grab yourself a snack. There's a ballpark right across the street. Like, it's pretty awesome. I know a lot of people are gonna be like, yeah, New York's like that. New York is heavily overpopulated, so I did not want to go to New York and experience this same experience, especially for the price that I'm paying for this hotel. I would not get anywhere near in New York. But check out my hotel. I'm heading there now. This is the only way I can give you a good view of the hotel. I'm staying at the Hyatt Palace or Hyatt Place, somewhere over here. Your ballpark is over here somewhere. I lost my bearing. It's somewhere over here. This is the most I've ever spent on a hotel. Bar, none. I think it's like $190 a night. I only stayed one night. So I figured, why not just try it? It's not even a 5-star, it's only a 3-star. Why? But yeah, let's check out my hotel. Let's go inside. It isn't the nicest hotel out there, like a 5-star hotel, but this is definitely one of the nicest hotels I've stayed in that I've paid for. It's expensive. It's expensive. I'm actually in downtown Greensboro. In the morning, I'll show you the view. It's not the greatest view, but it's a really nice view. That's all I got for you today, and I'll catch you on the next one.